Gingerbread. For this you'll need 350 grams of self-rising flour, pinch of salt, 3 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, 175 grams of soft light brown sugar, 175 grams of unsalted butter, 75 grams of black treacle, 75 grams of golden syrup, 6 tablespoons of milk and 2 eggs. First, sift the bicarbonate of soda, ground ginger, and the salt into a bowl. Give it a little mix and set aside for later. Beat the eggs. Melt the treacle. You'll have to warm the treacle first. The golden syrup in a bowl, in a pan with the butter and the sugar. Once it's all combined, take it off the heat and allow it to cool a little. Add the treacle syrup mixture to the flour. Mix it into the flour with the eggs and the milk. Nicely combined. Pour the mixture into a greased and lined 9 by 9 inch baking tin. Bake for 40 minutes at gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 150 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Nice and soft. Oh, too soft for a fork. I thought for a second I didn't put enough ginger in, but it was fine. Lovely, and my battery's run out. Pour the mixture into a 9 by 9 baking tin lined with I'm
1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for